Latexplan No Ammonia comprises of a 20 kg bag of powder and 4.4 kg of latex liquid. Latexplan No Ammonia is the newest addition to the Latexplan family and can be used for leveling and smoothing differences of up to 10 mm in a single application. Latexplan No Ammonia is moisture tolerable and can be used to pre-smooth poor uneven substrates prior to applying surface membranes. One bag and bottle of Latexplan No Ammonia will cover approximately 5 meters squared at 3 mm thickness. When mixing, ensure all the latex part B is poured into a clean mixing bucket. We can now add the 20 kg of part A powder, while mixing slowly using a variable speed drill and mixing paddle. Mix the product until a homogeneous lump-free compound is achieved. Allow 2 minutes and then remix the product. The second mix will improve the flow properties. Latexplan No Ammonia can be applied over bitumen, plywood, most old adhesive residues, and ceramic tiles. The flowability of Latexplan No Ammonia is excellent. Once poured onto the floor, a pin rake can be used to move the product as required. A spike roller can be used to give a consistent finish to the floor. A flat steel trowel can be used to push the product into the corners. We can see how quickly the smoothing compound recovers to a smooth finish. Latexplan No Ammonia, for the smoothest finish over the most difficult of substrates.